kalakas ang dating ng contestant na to? Tignan nga natin. Sadali lang. Magpakilala ka nga muna sa mga girls natin.
Hi girls, my name is Michael John F. Hogan. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Project 6, Quezon City.
Wow! Parang may kahawig ka. Sino? Sino kahawig?
Justin Bieber.
Oo nga, no. Matagal mo ba nang ginagawa tong Justin Bieber look na to?
Yeah, maybe 2 taon na.
Now, ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga girls?
Alright. Baby, if I was your boyfriend, I'll never let you go. As long as you love me, you'll never be sorry. If I was your boyfriend, I'll never let you go.